for the average person, AI is just a gimmick. People think, oh, I need to do something AI related and I'll be rich. That's not the case for many reasons. First, if everybody is trying to do some AI automation thing or whatever the fuck, chatbots, I don't even know at this point to be honest. Guess what? Everybody is doing it. So you are not unique. It's going to be very hard to differentiate yourself. And in that herd of all those fucking sheeps trying to do the same thing, there's going to be people who are very skilled, very talented with AI stuff, and they love it. Guess what? These few people, they're going to fuck everyone else. Like there's no other way of saying it. To be great at something, you need to love it. And then when you're great at something, you print money from it, usually. The money is simply a natural byproduct of what you do. Which is why I love what I do. I love the kind of work that I do. I just make content on topics I'm passionate about, and I sell my digital products to people who want my help. Like, I can't think of a more beautiful, fulfilling career than that, because you get to do what you love, and you get to make as much money as you would ever dream of. Like, no other career in the world allows you to do something you love, and make 6, 7+ figures a year, while having complete geographical freedom. Like, I could move to any country I want. That is insane. Even people with like good established high-paying careers, they can't really do that. Like you can be a lawyer, a doctor, anything, and they make 6 figures a year, you know, but like if they don't like their jobs, well that sucks because they work a lot. And then they have no geographical freedom. They can't just decide to go and spend, I don't know, 3 months in Bali and then 3 months in Paris or wherever they want to go. They have to go at the office from 9 to 5. It's like you're still a slave, you just have golden handcuffs instead of like rope, I guess. Now look, you need to stop with this AI bullshit content. When AI writes a script, even if you use Claude, it sounds AI. It's always using the same words. For example, it always say like, let me paint you a picture. Or it will say like, let me tell you about someone I know. His name is Marcus. People can smell this shit from a mile away. People know it's AI. And nowadays, you have to understand that information is more readily accessible than we've ever seen in the entire history of the world. That was the case a few years ago. I mean, ever since the internet was a thing, really. Ever since everybody uses Google, pretty much. But nowadays, that's even more true, because we've got tools like Gemini, like ChatGPT. There's even an AI directly inside of WhatsApp. I don't even know its name, I don't know what they call it, because I don't use it. But there's an AI in pretty much every app nowadays. So people can just click on the icon, ask it a question, and the information is really good quality. Now, it's not enough. Like, if you only use ChatGPT's advice to, I don't know, build a business, get in shape, etc., it only takes you so far. Like, the AI doesn't know everything. But my point is, the reason somebody's gonna watch your content as opposed to anyone else's, or even just going into ChatGPT and asking questions, is because they want human connection. They don't want another AI fucking slop to watch. They want a real person on the other side of the screen. Like, the kind of content I love to watch, there's zero editing. It's super basic. It's just the person talking, like it's not fully scripted, they're just staring at the camera, talking, as though they were, you know, spending time with a friend. A lot of the time, I like to just have a tea while I'm recording my videos because I'm talking to a friend, I'm talking to you. And that's what good content is, in my opinion. Because remember, we make content to get customers. Like, you don't make $1,000 a day just because you use ChatGPT. Otherwise, believe me, a lot more people would be wealthy. Like, so many people would be millionaires, that'd be insane. But you have to understand that most people watch educational videos, it's not even for the information. It's for the entertainment. It's because they want to feel inspired to take action. Because let's be honest, how many videos have you watched on any topic really? On how to get dates, on how to talk to women, on how to get jacked, on how to start a business. And you've probably heard the same advice over and over and over and over again. Yet you keep consuming more of this kind of content, yet you keep coming back to the same kind of influencers every single time. Why? Because you connect with them. Because you like their personality. You like how they look. You like how they speak. They are your virtual friends. So nowadays, what people want more than ever is really just community. A sense of belonging in a group, of fitting in people who are like-minded. That's why the platform Skull, by the way, is growing in popularity like crazy. Because right now, this is the best business model to start. To make content around something you love, or something you have an interest in, and then you sell a paid product, like a community with courses, with a map feature where people can literally make new friends. That's exactly what my product and community does for people who want to make money online. People who want to wake up every day, they do something they love for work. Ever since I was a kid, I saw my father hating his life, hating his job. And so at home, of course, everything just felt dull all the time. There was always a negative mood. And I promised myself when I was a kid I would do better than that. I would not waste my whole life just doing something I hate and then hating everyone around me because I made the wrong choices. And nowadays, we have more opportunities than ever to make this happen. So your job when you make content is to show your personality. What do you stand for? What's your us versus them dynamic? For example, for me, we are people who are more ambitious than the average. We want to make money online. We want to have complete freedom, geographical freedom, financial freedom, the freedom to pick our schedule and do whatever we want. Only work a few hours a day if we want, because we choose to. That is when you reach the highest quality of life possible. And our enemies, it's basically the modern world, in the sense that it's society telling you have to get a job you don't like, you have to make 2K per month for the rest of your life. It's all the haters, it's taxes crushing you and stealing all your hard work from you. That system is our enemy. Because that system doesn't want you to be free, that system only wants to exploit you. So I hope that this is really a wake-up call for you. But I'm sorry, my friend, you are not gonna get rich posting some shitty AI slop on the internet. I know a lot of people have clicked off this video right from the start because they expected me to tell them like exactly how to build some kind of ebook or chatbot, and that's how they're gonna make $1,000 a day. Making $1,000 a day had very little to do with the AI. I'll be honest with you. I use the AI sometimes, like for example when editing, for example when generating images, etc. Or thinking. I love to ask ChatGPT some questions. I sometimes ask it to write templates of emails, etc. But that's what? 10% of everything I did, really. Yet all these little retards, they want to know exactly like, how do you make $1,000 a day with AI directly? It's not the AI. AI is a tool. It's like, imagine if I said, how I made $1,000 a day with a mouse. Like, the mouse is just a tool I use to use my computer so I can make money. But it's not thanks to the mouse itself that I made $1,000 a day. So if you want a mentor, you want to learn from somebody who's done this very successfully, as you can see, like take a look at those fucking numbers. You can just click the link in the description below. There's a quick free training, but most importantly, book a free one-to-one call with me. On that call, I'm gonna give you a custom step-by-step game plan so you can start selling online courses, even if you don't know what your course should be about, even if you work a lot already, you don't have that much time, etc. I'm gonna show you everything, and you don't even have to pay for it. If it's a good fit, we might work together, you might become a part of my paid program, but even if it's not, you're gonna walk away with clarity on exactly what to do, a step-by-step plan. Like, where else are you gonna find that for free? So if I were you, I would click on the link in the description below, book my free call, and get my free step-by-step plan before all the spots are taken. Because I'm pretty busy, like, I don't take 10 calls a day or whatever. I don't have that many spots.